Next, let's look at the orient constraint. As always, let's start by creating an orient constraint. We'll select our driver object, then select driven object. In the constraint menu, find orient. Click the icon next to it to open the option. We can turn off maintain offset, or if our driven object itself has some rotation values, we can also check this to maintain that offset. It just depends on the behavior we want. Then click apply. So here we can see from the outliner that it's no different from our previous parent constraint or point constraint. It's added a constraint node here. The type of this node is called orient constraint. And if we rotate the driver object, the driven object will rotate along with it. But when we move our driver object, it won't have any effect at all. Let's also take a look at the orient constraint's node connections. We can see this is actually pretty similar to the point constraint. The main difference is the driver object only has its rotate attribute connected to the orient constraint node. Through the calculation in here, it connects the calculated rotation to the driven object's rotate attribute. So here we can also see why the driver object's translation and scale don't have any effect on the orient constraint, and therefore don't affect the driven object's final constraint behavior.